Now, who is BGP?
BG Promotions is a digital marketing brand company. I build digital platforms and I help small businesses maintain them as well as build their social media platforms.
What's your ideal client?
My target audience is either 50 and older or people who don't have time for their marketing and branding, or they don't understand it.
They don't understand what?
They don't understand how to market their brand. They don't know what to do, how to spend the money on getting the brand results. And that's why they hire me.
Do you prefer to teach or do you prefer to do it yourself?
I am in the process now of teaching people how to do it because we're in a self-taught season. And so now I want to teach people how to market their own brands. And then they'll understand how to spend their money, where to spend it, and on who to spend it with.
So when someone says hire your weakness so you can focus on your strength, what does that mean to you?
When my life influencer Tisa Edge says hire your weakness so you can focus on your strengths, that means that you need to, if marketing is not in your niche, you need to hire someone that can handle your marketing while you can focus on your passion and your dream. That means hire BG Promotions Inc. to handle your marketing.
How do you respond to the client who says, oh, I can do that?
I have clients that say that they can do it themselves, and you can, but it'll take you longer to do it than it will for me to do it. So it's best to let me take on the project while you can focus on what you're doing and your purpose.
Do you prefer photography, videography, or online marketing?
If I had to choose on which marketing strategies that I prefer, whether it's photography, videography, or online marketing, it would be online marketing, hands down.
Why?
The reason why I prefer online marketing because it allows me to reach a broader amount of people versus just the average regular marketing. Photography and pictures, yes, you need that, but you need not only photography and videography, you need to market online. You need those marketing ad campaigns out there. And if you don't know how to put together an ad campaign, you need to be taught how to do it the right way. And there are a lot of people out here that are saying, hey, you pay this amount of money and we can teach you how to market. And sometimes they're just pulling your nail, but I'm here to tell you that you come to one of my classes, you'll be able to learn it and run off. And you wouldn't even need me after that unless you need me to create some content for you.
When people look at you and they ask you, are you straight or gay? What you say?
When people look at me and they ask me if I'm straight or gay, it's really, that has nothing to do with me managing your business. That is my personal life and whatever it is that I do. So my personal preference has nothing to do with me taking care of your business branding and your marketing.
And where would you like for them to find you?
And to find me, you can go to bgpromotionsinc.com. You can send me an email at contactme@bgpromotionsinc.com. Or you can go on all social media platforms at BG Promotions Inc. Through me, they see you. It's go time.